So you guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng swatching ng Artist Rouge ng Glam Hour. I've swatched 3 because I only have 3, you guys. Mahal kasi, sorry. I have Egon, Calo, and Monet. But you guys, Monet is the best. Maganda yung dalawa, okay? Maganda talaga sila sa mukha. And I'm a blushaholic person. Alam ko yung paglapat pa lang sa mukha ko, alam ko talaga kung maganda ba siya o hindi. That's si Monet. This is now my most favorite, okay? My most favorite blush of all time. Excited naman talaga ako kasi dito, excited talaga ako, you guys. Yung excitement ko talaga to the roof eh. Lalo na nung dumating to, my God, grabe. Hindi ko alam bakit excited ako dito, pero dahil sa kulay nila, and dahil din sa, siguro, sa formulation niya, kung gaano ka-invested si Miss Pau sa pag-create ng product na to. So, I think so. Pero guys, it really is a beautiful product, okay? It really is a beautiful blush on, especially si Monet, si Calo. Alam mo lahat eh. Kung pwede ko lang bilhin lahat, bibilhin ko eh, kaso hindi kaya ng budget. Kaya 3 lang yung binili ko. Nakipag-agawan talaga ako dito. Sorry na. Pero yes, you guys, kidding aside, this is really a good product. Very, very sulit sa price niya. Sobrang sulit. I tell you.